2026. Cheers resound as a peaceful dawn breaks. Students of MTsN 7 North Aceh gather together. Burning spirit enlivens this momentous Independence Day. The madrasa grounds are filled with laughter and joy. Tradition, no contest